If you want to know how I clicked these pictures and not end up like this, then keep on watching. Hi guys, I'm Pasta and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share all the different and random objects that every Indian household has that can be used as amazing props for pictures. So I think we should get started and let's go. Please ignore the background noises. I am on my terrace and this is the little section where my mom has planted all her plants. So for the first prop, we are going to be using this duster. It is pretty colorful. I've done a shoot previously on my page as well. So I'm going to show you the entire setup. I got a stool and this is something जिसको मम्मी ने गमले में तब्दील करने की कोशिश की. So this is going to help me with my phone and I have that camera right here. So we're gonna switch to that. So the pictures turned out great. See them for yourself. They're on the screen right now. If you want to know how I edit them, then let me know in the comment section below and I'll surely get back to you on that. But till then, we're gonna switch to the second prop. Come on. So for the second object, I used the Machhar Marne Wala bat as my prop, and not exactly as a prop. I used it to cast that net pattern shadow on my face, and I think it worked out perfectly. Look at the pictures. I love them and I think they look great. And now on to the next one. So for this one, the setup looks something like this, and I have used a mason jar, but you can also use a kaach ka glass, and I think the picture will turn out very similar to these ones, and I am in love with how it turned out, and I'm definitely going to change my DP to this, like my YouTube DP to this. So for the next shoot, I'm gonna sit right in front of my window and shoot this thing. I'm gonna use my comb, and not exactly my comb but this part of my comb, and घर में normal जो कंघी आती है उसके अंदर भी कुछ ऐसा ही रहता है, तो you can use that as well. So let's get started. I'm gonna switch on to that camera. So that was it, and here are the pictures. I love them and they look really cool. I did not even realize कि ऐसे हो जाएगा, मतलब मैंने decide नहीं किया था करने से पहले. Excuse the background noises. And for the last shot, I'm gonna show you a little trick which is very easy and you do not even need anything for that. और कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Basically अगर कैमरा लेके बैठो, सेल्फ टाइमर लगाओ and do this. This is what you need to do, and then place it on the camera and you'll get a nice picture. I'm gonna switch on to that camera and show you my front screen so that you get a better idea. One which I should be doing on the terrace, up on the terrace, but बारिश आने लग रही है and I want to complete this video, so I thought why not just do it right in front of the ring light. You can actually go ahead and do it with the sunlight, but I'm just gonna make use of this and get done with the video. And this is actually a really cool trick. So all you have to do is use the foil paper and roll it like this, and then put it on the camera like this, and here you go. So I'm gonna shoot a couple of pictures and then show you the outcome. So you just got done looking at the pictures that I clicked, and I love them and I hope you do too, and I think that sums up my video. And that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, and let me know if you want me to make more videos because I would love that. This annoying voice. Bye.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing.